Welcome to the Newstart kitchen. I'm Margaret Gallant, and today we're making a chili seasoning. I love having this chili seasoning in my pantry, and I like knowing exactly what's in it. So let me show you the ingredients. First, we have 6 bay leaves and 2 teaspoons of basil, 1/3 cup of parsley flakes, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. We also have 1½ teaspoons of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of paprika, and 5 tablespoons of cumin. Now to begin with, I want to take the bay leaves and the basil and the parsley flakes and the oregano. And what we're going to do is we're going to blend them up, because then we'll have a nice consistent seasoning. So I'm going to blend it up, and then we're going to put it all together. All right, now that we have a nice consistent mixture, we're going to put that in the bowl, and then we're going to add the rest of the seasonings together, and we'll stir it up, and we'll have our chili seasoning. And this is such a beautiful color when it all gets mixed up, and it's wonderful to have in my pantry. So what I do is I get a used jar and clean it out and mark it chili seasoning. Then I put our mixture in, and it's in an airtight container, and I can pull from it whenever I need. I hope you enjoy this chili seasoning as much as I do.